Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this crazy rich Asian look on Dress to Impress. Now this isn't 100% similar to the movie, of course. It's a little bit hard to recreate it if I'm being honest. But you do need one Robux item. If you don't have that, you can exchange the skirt for something else, of course. But in this instance I am going to use that. It's going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. So for the oh my gosh, yes, I removed the hair. Okay, so for the hair I used this. Then I also used this in black, and I just kind of like moved it up and then towards the back to make that poofy look. So Y.57, Z.57. And then for the lashes I used the 9th toggle here in black position, the Y.48, and scaled it to 0.45. For the crown I used this in silver. It's from VIP position, the Y to 0.58, and you're going to scale it down to 0.33. I use that one. Then for the outfit, I'm going to use this dress. This is a Robux item in the non-see-through, and I'm just going to color it this lighter blue, CADBFF. Then I'm also going to get this item here in the 3rd toggle, no texture, in a lighter blue, well, the same color, and then in a darker blue. 8B75. Then I also use this from the spring collection, this one, and then I colored it like in dark blue and then bright blue in matte, and then in matte in a darker blue. And then I did a lighter blue and then the darker blue again. Oh, and I also used this necklace here. It's this one in the jewels only in just white. And then for the shirt I also used this in a lighter blue color. Also I did use the skirt too, just to add more flowers to it. This one here, I'm just going to color that the same first, and then I'm just going to go back and forth between like the darker blue and the lighter blue here. So I'll do the lighter blue for the roses, like for the first one, and then the darker one, then the lighter one, and then the darker one. Actually, I'll do the dark chains here. And that is it. That's the inspo dress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!